still hate little mags. Hey guys, welcome back to the range. So today we're coming from in my office, and I was working on another video, recording everything, and the other day we received a package. Opened the package up, and we're used to getting packages every day. We get guns and various other accessories, and inside this package was an odd looking magazine. So we started asking around trying to figure out who ordered them, and nobody ordered them. So we reached out to the company where they came from, and this is by no means is a sponsored video. We just thought it was pretty cool, so we figured we'd do a video on it and take a look at it. So normally when you get a magazine, when you buy an other, you're going to get a standard PMag like this. Or if you're not getting a full size, so this is the 10 by 30. If you're not getting a 10 by 30, then you're getting just a regular 10 round magazine, which I have to open. So you're getting a regular 10 round magazine like this. This one happens to be made out of aluminum versus plastic. And these really suck because they get lost inside your little mag carriers, your plate carrier, so on and so forth. I prefer the 1030s just because they're full size. You can get a better grip on them, and they fit in that plate carrier a lot better. Plus, I mean, look at your size difference. Which one do you think it's better to manipulate, this one or this little one? So, living in the state of Connecticut, we are limited to mags of 10. And for other people out there watching, you too might be limited to a certain number of mag or rounds in the mag. So we got these. These are 10 by 10 cross mags. And what it is there's 10 rounds in this one, and then there's 10 rounds in this one. So when you run this one dry, you pop the magazine out, flip it over, and reload your next 10. So essentially it's a magazine that'll hold 20, but it's two mags that are together and each one holds 10. Okay. So let's open it and take a look. So it's made out of a translucent plastic. You're supposed to be able to twist them apart, which I can't seem to do right now. Oh, there, I just popped it. So you can see it's two mags. Each one holds 10, and then they sandwich together, and you twist, and then they lock. And boom, there you go. Now you can configure them in other ways. So this one has a slight bend to it. You can configure them to where it's perfectly straight. It comes with instructions. There's 4 different configurations for this particular mag, depending how you want to set it up. So why don't we go down to the range and see if it works, or how well it works, and run it through its paces. Okay, so we're back down at the private training range, and you can see I've got the other, and I brought all 3 mags down. Of course, got the IFAK since I'm down here alone, and we're going to cycle all the mags through the other and see how they all function. Alright, first one is the normal little 10 rounder. As you can see right off the bat, it's so tiny. It just sits right in the mag well. Let's see how it functions. perfect. I don't like that it's so small, because when it's sitting up in here, I've got nothing to hold on to, and I've got to pop it out, catch it in my hand. And like I said, I lose it in the pouches on the plate carrier. So, standard PMag, the 10x30, which comes with the others. Not a problem. So now we're going to try the new mag. The rounds don't fall out the bottom. Okay, right off the bat, the configuration that it came in, I don't like it. So when I pull it, the way my hand is, now I gotta manipulate it and spin it around. Maybe if I could pull it out and put it in that way, I'll have to play with the configuration. But this particular configuration, I don't like it. I'd have to adjust it. Remember, there's 4 configurations you can put it in to suit your needs. Tell you right off the bat, both sets of mags with rounds facing forward doesn't work. So, you know, it cycled flawlessly. You know, if you're just coming to the range and you're going to be standing there or bench shooting, which is what we offer up there, it's fine. It's good. I think my only concern, I'm going to put the other down, shut the red dot off, is when I'm training and I'm moving around, when I go prone, I'm going to support the other on the bottom of the mag, since I don't have a bipod. If I do it with this one, I'm worried about dirt and junk and little rocks and whatnot getting up in here and fouling the magazine. And if I don't notice it, when I eject this mag and I go to put the next side in and I spin it around, I put it in, now I'm sticking all that junk up inside my other, and you know, it's gonna mar up the bolt carrier. Could potentially screw up the star chamber. God forbid I don't catch any of it and I get some sort of obstruction inside the barrel. So I don't know, maybe if there was a cover that can easily get popped off to at least protect the rounds, so if you do put it on the ground, that might work. I don't know. But that's really my only complaint. Other than that, I think it works great. I think it's a really novel idea. Obviously, I mean, it's just a 10-round mag and a 10-round mag, and I know I can buy things to do that with these little ones, but then I have to buy 2 little mags, and then I have to find the adapter to turn it into one longer set, versus I can just buy this in a bag, and it comes pre-assembled for me. So like I said, I really can't complain. Okay, this is a side note. So I was just looking at, obviously I looked at the instructions on how to turn this around to reconfigure it, and I was looking around like, oh, what am I going to stick into the bottom to move it? I don't want to stick my knife in there or anything. And this was in the back of the Kubota, and it fits perfectly to move it. good idea, guys. Okay, so I reconfigured it. Literally took me 5 seconds, if that. And now it's got this weird funky shape to it. But rounds are going to be facing this way. I can take it out, turn it over, and then the rounds are facing this way. So let me load the mags up real quick, and we'll see how it works. Okay, so the mag's all loaded up. You see, rounds are facing this way. And then you turn it over, rounds are facing that way. Let's see if this configuration works any better. Yep, obviously that configuration works a lot better for what I want. So I dropped it and right onto the ground, and of course it got all marred up, but it's gonna happen anyways when you train, so works fine. I'm sure, you know, tons of drops it might have an issue, but for right now, little drop, no big deal. Okay, everybody, it's that time of day again where I gotta clean everything up. So do me a favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on all the notifications, put in your comments, let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know if you picked up on anything. Let me know what you think about these new mags, or if you want more information on them. Talk to you guys later. I'll see you guys on the trail.